What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We got kind of a crazy one today. I'm doing the Joker, but it's like special effects again. I know last time it didn't turn out great, but this time it also doesn't turn out great. But it's kind of fun to see me struggle, so if you want to see me struggling to do the Joker that has the ripped face, then you gotta keep watching. Before we jump into it, please smash that like button, give me a big old subscribe, and turn on your notifications because we have videos all month long for 31 Days of FLUTIEWEEN. But let's just jump into it. Alright, first things first, what else is new? We're gluing down the eyebrows. I think I do this for like every look. Now I'm just using white paint. I'm trying to map out where I'm going to start doing the special effects. And then I'm using scar wax again and some spirit gum. So just lay down the spirit gum, wait till it gets pretty dry and tacky before you start putting that scar wax on, because it's not going to be fun when it just keeps falling off. Now I'm just using the little tool to kind of stick it to my face. It's super sticky, so you definitely need Vaseline when you do this. As you can see, I was just like struggling pretty hard with it. Like, this looks quick, but honestly just that little bit took me like an hour. Now I'm sticking out some more on the forehead because he does have like his ripped face, so the edges are going to be all scar wax. Now we're powdering that shit good. Like I said in the last video, you really gotta powder it more than you think, so. I'm just using some white face paint and covering the entire face and the scar wax. It's pretty bad in the beginning, but it gets better. And I'm just mapping out where like the muscles are gonna be underneath his mask. And then just filling around the edges with red just to get it started. And then filling in right there, there is going to be teeth there, but you want underneath to be completely red first. Now just using a shadow and kind of drawing in his lines for now. And got lots of wrinkles on this guy. Now I'm using a darker red shadow, kind of mapping out everything underneath the mask, which is like the muscles and stuff. I did mix like a red and black paint to make a little darker shade and really define those muscles. Now I made these teeth out of like the Model Magic Crayola like kids clay, and so I'm just spirit gumming them to my mouth. And I'm using a cream paint and only using like a tiny bit, putting it at the top of the tooth and then just dragging it down. And then also using a brown shade just to darken it a little bit more at the very top of the tooth. Now I'm just highlighting everything with white paint. And this guy can be super messy, so you don't have to worry about the highlights being perfect. Now he does have like the straps on the side of his head, so I'm just taking like some skin tape and painting on it. Because I mean, it sticks to you, it works. There you guys go. It wasn't as complicated as you thought, right? So do let me know if you would like me to show how I did the body painting and everything. I wasn't sure if you guys wanted a super long video or if you just wanted the face, so this time it was just the face, but I am still working on some other looks, so just let me know in the comments if you want to see more of like the full body painting ones. And actually tomorrow's video does have some body painting, so if you do want to see that, make sure you check out tomorrow's video. But I really hope you guys liked this look. If you did, please give me a like, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications because 31 Days of FLUTIEWEEN is far from over, so there's going to be so many videos, so many giveaways and fun things happening. If you want to see the picture of this and my other looks, please check out my Instagram. I do have like a bunch of cool videos on TikTok as well. And I appreciate you guys getting me to over 800 subscribers. It's kind of cool seeing all you guys, and seeing your comments really make my day. So I just want to say I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.